New year, new content. New year, new content. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Taya, back with another video. My first video of 2025, as you can see. Before we even get into this video, I just wanted to get on here and say a couple of things. First of all, Happy New Year to everybody who is tuning in right now. Just wanted to get on here and say a few things about my year 2024. I feel like 2024 was such a big growth year for me personally. I feel like I've grown in a lot of areas of my life, and I don't think I ever even mentioned on this channel, but I accomplished one of the biggest things so far in my life, which is getting my bachelor's degree.
College educated, she graduated.
It's still so crazy to say that I officially have a degree after 4 years of hard work. Leaving behind 2024 is such a bittersweet thing because I'm leaving behind my college era and I'm going on into the next phase of my life, which I am so excited for. I'm excited to see what God has for me career-wise and in terms of this channel. I am excited for all the content that I'm going to create, but I just want to thank everybody that supported this channel in 2024, all the people that subscribed, all the people that tuned into my videos. Really excited for the content that I have for 2025. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe because we're on a journey. We're trying to get to a specific amount of subscribers this year. I'm not gonna say the amount of subscribers I want to gain this year, but it's up here. A lot of good content is coming. New year, new content. But yeah, I'm so excited to see what God has in store for this channel and for my life. I just want to thank everybody who supported me throughout 2024. Also, if you have any recommendations for videos you want to see, comment down below. Give me video ideas. Comment what you liked from the past videos. I love hearing what y'all liked about past videos, so comment. I'm so excited to see everything that's in store for me, and I really hope y'all enjoy this video. And yeah, thanks for watching.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no, I've been thinking about you. You know, no, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. No, I don't like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I could sell you in Idaho. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it though I'm lying down thinking about you. Ooh, no, I've been thinking about you. You know, no, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about this? Do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Do you not think so far? How many do you have? A few moments later.
Let's see if this is working, y'all. So y'all don't even want to know how long it took me to get this set up together. And the lighting is still kind of dim, but it's okay. Y'all, my allergies are so bad, so don't mind me if I'm sniffling or anything. I'm gonna show y'all a few things that I picked up recently. Oh, and I'm in my bonnet, so don't mind that. I don't mind being in my bonnet on camera. I think y'all know I got hair. I'm gonna show y'all a few things I picked up for the new year. I think one big thing that I want to incorporate into my 2025 is I want to get into more hobbies. Like, I feel like getting into more hobbies is a form of self-care, and that's something I want to do this year. One thing I really wanted for the new year is a coloring book. I've been wanting a coloring book, actually. I went to Barnes & Nobles and I got this coloring book. It says Romantic Country coloring book, and it has a lot of good stuff in here. A lot of different pictures that you can color, you know? So here's one picture. Show y'all a few pages, you know. Yeah. Get into it. Yeah, that's our coloring book that we picked up for the new year. I also picked up a puzzle from Barnes & Noble. Oh, y'all can see the reflection on my phone, look. It's a 500-piece puzzle, jigsaw puzzle. Hold on, let me adjust this lighting. This looks a little bit better, okay. But we got a 500-piece jigsaw puzzle, and the picture is by Vincent van Gogh, and he has a lot of good art. And this just was a really cute puzzle, and I got a sneeze so bad. Oh my gosh, my allergies are killing me. I should go look at some of his work. But yeah, he's a really good artist. I feel like this would be really cute to put up on the wall once I'm finished, so that's why I picked this specific one. But look at it, y'all. Let me get in closer. Yes. Yeah, I'm excited for this as well. I did order a few things to go with my coloring book, so we're gonna open those packages. I think y'all can already guess kind of what I got. Which one is this? Okay, so this is markers. 36 different markers. This is the brand I got. It seemed like a really cute, not really cute. It seemed like a really good brand. Got it from Amazon. Y'all can see all those colors right there. But yeah, we got that for our coloring book. Next package we got is our color pencils. There's 72 of them. These are all the different colors that are in here. Got the same brand in both the markers and color pencils. I feel like I'm gonna color a lot. I wanted to get back into a lot of hobbies that I like to do whenever I was a kid, so that's why I wanted to get back into coloring. I feel like everyone should have a coloring book. Whenever they get bored, just pull out that coloring book and color away. Then I also just got a bookmark from Barnes & Noble because reading, yes. I used to love to read whenever I was a kid. I read a lot. But yeah, it says wild about reading, and then it has this little picture on there. It's so cute. And I really needed a bookmark because I'll be folding pages, and that's not good for your books. So I got me a bookmark, and probably gonna be picking up a lot of books this year, reading a lot more this year. But yeah, that's everything that we got. A little hobby haul or whatever. Yep, that's the little haul that I have to show y'all. Let me get a thumbnail. Per hobbies all 2025, as y'all can see. I encourage y'all to find some hobbies. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. So y'all, it was an ice storm last night, so didn't go to church because church was canceled. Eric, Pierre, that's Mufasa. Have you seen that video? It's Aaron Pierre dancing. He's an actor.